Yeah, I'm waiting for Pastor Carl to show up, and he knows it was at 1:42. We were going to do a video today, so I don't know where the heck he is. Oh wait, there he is.
I'm right here.
He had camouflage on.
You didn't see it.
I didn't see it. You were hidden.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay. Anyway. Well, hey, EBC, thank you again for tuning in this week to our EBC Weekly. And we hope that this video, this episode, we're calling them episodes.
Episodes, that's right. I don't even know what episode number it is. Something.
I don't know. Maybe it's a brand new year, so this is episode number 2.
Oh, right.
For 2021.
Season 2, episode 2.
And if you haven't been able to join us, always know that you can catch previous week's messages. Vimeo.com. I'll put that link right here in the bottom for you. And as always, if you can't be here on Sunday, they can watch via live stream.
Tune in live. You can catch us on the church website, on Facebook, on the new streaming platform, which is ebcnh.online.church.
You just happen to be caught here at the grocery store on Sunday morning at 10:30, but why would you do that?
I forgot it's Sunday.
That's right. And you can jump on that website and you can have the note, a Bible. We also have an online host, and you can also ask for a private prayer.
A lot of pretty neat features that we can do with that.
So if you miss us on Sunday and you can't be with us in person, we'll list all these for you at the end of this video, the end of this episode.
And now for something completely brand new.
Well, with EBC Weekly, we want to do a new segment, and that is to highlight different people in the church that make it happen. And we'll share with you a little bit about them, and you can see who they are. Right now, there's people that have been coming to church that haven't met other people that had been at church because other people aren't back at church. And that is a great segue to talk about our first person that we want to feature in today's episode, and that is Lynn Latarella. Now, Lynn is really, we've talked about, she's kind of the glue that keeps everything together.
Yes.
But maybe if you're new, you haven't even met her yet because she actually can't be in service yet. One thing that I have come to realize about Lynn is that she has cats, and they're like part of her family, and they got new cats.
They just got 2 new ones.
Yeah, 2 new ones at Christmas time, which obviously made it a little interesting as they had a tree and all that kind of stuff.
Right.
And then she and her husband, Bob, they have 2 boys that are both grown. And she does so much to get things ready for Sunday mornings.
And when you think about Lynn this week and her family, just pray for them as God uses them and they serve the Lord here at Epsom Bible Church.
And this Sunday, we just finished up going through Connect, Belong, Engage. This Sunday is kind of a standalone week because it's a crucial part of regarding church and involvement in church.
And we're not going to tell you what it is. So you're going to have to tune in online or be here in person to hear what Pastor Rick has for us on Sunday. So until then, we love you. We're praying for you. Pastor Carl?
Yeah, we'll see you Sunday.
See you Sunday.